Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up the weather app on Xiaomi Mi Watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You will need to do this on the Mi Fitness app. Open up the app on your phone and tap on Device at the bottom of the homepage. Then scroll down and tap on Weather. Tap the toggle to enable weather updates. You will need to tap Agree on the pop-up to allow the app location access. Select Allow all the time and then tap the back arrow. Weather updates are now enabled on your watch. If your current watch face has a weather-related complication, you will see the temperature there now. Tap the Home button to get to the app menu. Tap on the Weather app. You can now see the current weather here. If you scroll down, you can see the air quality, wind and sunburn protection, as well as the next few days' weather forecast. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.